designed for precision and durability. This curved roofing, sheet roll forming machine delivers reliable solutions for modern construction projects. The machine features a robust structure and a well-organized production layout, built to support stable operation and long-term manufacturing performance. The feeding section is designed for smooth material handling and accurate positioning. Stable feeding helps ensure consistent forming quality throughout production. High-precision rollers are carefully arranged to shape roofing sheets with accuracy and consistency. Every component is engineered to achieve reliable forming performance. From machine structure to forming technology, every detail reflects professional manufacturing standards, a dependable solution for curved roofing sheet production.